Hello traders, we're back again with one more setup which is gonna give us maybe 80 pips, maybe 70 pips, we'll see. So before we talk about anything, let's check the date and the time. That's what we do here. Refresh, then it is 2:37 p.m. Monday, 27 April 2026 EST time, wherever you are, wherever you may be. 2:37 p.m. right now when I'm recording the video on 27th of April. Okay, let's get to my chart, sweetheart. Now we have what? We have this low, which is this low. So. This was your low, and this was your low, which did not break this low. So we went up. Okay, cool. So far, very cool. This is BOS, which is broken. This previous high is already broken. New high is created. Pullback. We went down below the EMA, reclaim of the EMA, and we are gonna go long. This is my long entry in USDCHF. This is my take profit around 7930. 7927 to be precise. Okay, that's my take profit. I am already into the trade on this candle. This candle close, my entry, which I am already in. You're bad, you're watching this video after the move is done. Okay, no problem, join the program. First link below. Okay, how this TP comes from? It comes from right here. Look at this one, the high, the last high was 79345. Okay, 7934, that was the last high. So my TP comes near here. This is your resistance. Okay, cool, you like it? I know you don't, because it's making me money. Actually, it can make you money too if you just join the program. This is a pre-video, so I gave you long entry right here. I gave myself long entry right here. This is my take profit, and take profit can change, because if the take profit is not hit this week, then next week we will have a new take profit maybe. But if it's hit this week only, then we don't need to worry. Okay, whatever happens, I'll keep you posted. Till then, see you again. Alright guys, so we're back with the take profit, and we have slightly adjusted. So in the video I told you in the beginning that we'll go for 7927, something like that, and I have exited for now at 7293 something. Okay, so this is the entry candle where we entered. If you go and watch the video, this is where we entered, and this is where I have exited for now, because now it's going to take a pullback maybe. Okay, or it's just going to stall. So right now it's doing nothing, so I have taken my profits already. And if you go on my Telegram, you will see I have sent you the screenshot already on my Telegram. Okay, now one more thing, I cannot record these videos all the time. Okay, so make sure you are into my Telegram where I send you these screenshots, right? Because I trade other pairs too, multiple pairs, and it's not possible to record videos for everything just to give you proof. Okay, if I give you 5 videos for proof, that is equal to 50 videos. So I might be taking 50 trades but only give you these 5 video proofs. Okay, or maybe I give you 50 video proofs, but in the back end I'm taking 500 trades, right? So if you just see what is happening, then it's real. Okay, so I told you we'll enter here, and I already have taken my profits. Go and check the screenshot on my Telegram. All the links are below this YouTube video. Okay, if you want to join the program, help yourself. Otherwise, my night is done for today. So what are we gonna do? We'll come back to you. All right, thanks for watching. See you again.